Hello, beautifuls. So I'm at work right now and I realized that I did not even record an intro video to my curl video. So this is going to be my intro video for you guys. So welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be on the curls that I'm wearing right now, my kind of textured wavy curls. And I'm just going to show you how I do them using my curling iron. I use the Argan Heat iron. I will sometimes use my wand, but I typically lean more towards my iron when I'm doing these kinds of curls. So it's just a video and tutorial on how I get these curls, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and we will get on with it. So I'm going to start by just combing through my hair, making sure there's no tangles. I already kind of brushed it, so I think it's okay. And then I'm going to take my hair and right at the top of my ears, I'm going to part it and just clip it up. So I already have my hair prepped. I washed it last night and I used a little bit of a heat protectant. The one that I used is the Garnier Fructis style. It's the Sleek and Shine Primer. It's a style prep. It looks like this. And I'll just spray a little bit in the hair. And then I'm going to take my curling iron. This is the Argan Heat 1 inch, I believe. I got this at Sally's. And I'm going to take like a 1 inch section, about this thick. Pull all this forward. And then instead of using it like a curling iron, I'm going to use it like a wand. So I position my arms really awkwardly, but I just wrap it around and hold it for only a couple seconds. Normally you'll hold it a little bit longer, but I don't want it super tight. So then, oh, I got this all mixed up. So then I'll just take that piece and I'll pull it. And then to give you more volume, you want to alternate your curls. So because I curled that one back, the next one I'm going to curl towards my face. I'm going to take another 1 inch section. I mean, I can't really see. And I'm just going to curl that towards my face. And hold it for a few seconds. I position myself so awkward, you guys, but it works for me. So do whatever works for you. And then I just take the strand and pull on it because I don't want it to be super tight. You want it to be kind of looser. We're going for like that textured look. And just keep doing the same. So actually this is a kind of a thin section, so I'm just going to take the whole section and just curl it all back. Oops. And just hold it for a few seconds because again, we're not going for a really tight curl. We're just going for something a little bit looser, a little more textured. And just pull on it and let it be loose. And do the same on the other side. 1 inch. And curl away. So alternating your curls is just going to give the appearance for thicker, more voluminous hair. So somebody who has super thin hair, this technique is really great for you because it gives the appearance of more hair. And this one will go towards my face. I use that technique on all of my clients and they love it. A few seconds and drop, pull it down. And then I'll just cut on my earring. Come on. And then I can't get it off my earring, apparently. Away from the face. So anyone who's known me for a while knows that I had really long hair for a long time. And I'm notorious for going blonde and then going dark and then going blonde and then going dark. So working with short hair is a little difficult for me. Still figuring it out. Put that down. And then I'm just going to take another section starting at my temples. And we're going to do the same technique. So just take like a 1-inch section. I like to split it in half down the back. And separate it. And so I'll take like about a 1-inch section, like so. And because on the bottom I started curling away, here I'm going to start by curling in. And you just do the same thing through the whole head, just alternating your curls. It's that easy, guys. So I'm just gonna finish up and I'll speed through it, and I will talk to you at the end of the video. So for the last section, you guys, you want to take your hair and your natural parting, so however you part your hair. So I part my hair down the middle, so I'm just going to separate it. Because I'm going for a really messy look, like it doesn't have to be super perfect, but I'm just OCD with my part. Separate it down the middle again and just finish curling. That easy, you guys. And it's okay that the sections are thicker. Like I said, you're going for a textured look, so you don't want them to be super tight or super perfect. Like, it's okay if it's a little bit messy. Alright guys, so I finished curling my hair, and I'm just gonna go in with my The One by Fredderick Fekkai. I believe that's how you pronounce it. It's the One and Then Some dry texture spray. So I just shake this up and just spray it in there a little bit. The spray reminds me of my mom's perfume. And then I'm just going to take a little bit of hairspray. This is the It's a 10 Miracle Whip Finishing Spray. I'm not a big hairspray girl. I don't like to use a lot. And then just take your fingers and comb through. Just kind of lightly. And that is it, you guys. This is what it looks like after. And from the back. So that is it on my textured hair look. If you guys would like to see any other hairstyling videos, comment down below and let me know what you would like to see, and I would definitely do it for you. If you like this video, give it a good thumbs up and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at BP Beauty, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!